Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Tshepo Thabiso Mohlabane, and I'm a founder of a company called embroideries and PPE'S. The company was established in 2018 and it became fully operational in 2020 during the lockdown, the COVID period. So I started this company because that time we had no jobs. So I started making the cloth mask as the country was struggling to get more during the lockdown period. Then during that time I then decided to make jackets, that goes along with the mask. So people started loving the jacket, so is when I started doing fashion. So the company now is 2 years old. So basically we are making ready-to-wear clothing that are made out of African print, textiles, jeans, and other 100% coatings. So the product that we are making bags, we are making jackets, we are making jeans, we are making traditional gowns and traditional wedding clothes. We are also doing embroidery, as the company says, embroidery. We are making embroidery for customers in-house. We are not outsourcing the services. We can contact us. We are based in Ganyamazane. We also have our own Facebook page, that is TM Embroideries and PPEs. And we have also our other page where we advertise our ready-to-wear clothing that we manufacture, is TM Just Wear. In Instagram, we are Thabiso Mohlabane. My contact number is 0711 030 I am situated in Ganyamazane, Ligazi, Mpumalanga, next to ZB Winene High School. Igama lami ngu Thabiso and I'm a township entrepreneur.